Hello guys, welcome back to the video, and obviously, so I'm gonna get a brush. Yeah, there's a fork on the ceiling. Obviously, you lot, obviously, Hibzul, Nubzul, Wahul, Shahid, I think, knows what frick is a bug. Yeah. So this is I'm gonna get this brush here, and yeah, you should hear it. I'm gonna keep quiet. Since when I get the brush, I'm gonna. Yeah. So this is what the stereo plastic key thingy sound like in Small Boy with Apple's car. Obviously his looks also stereo, and obviously Greg's friend's stereo. Obviously it looks also the same material. But if you guys don't remember, I'm gonna remind you. I'm saying I'm gonna press the bug on the ceiling. That makes it full. Yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna keep quiet now. So this is what the interior of the course's interior sound like. The small raffle and Greg's friend's interior of the book's course are the only the stereo part. Yeah. Um. Okay. Okay. The green box sounds okay. Let me show something here. I that wasn't posted. I'll post a think it properly. Think it and push it down on the middle of the bug, and then push it down. I don't know where it is. I got best guys. You see me what face I made. I got proper scared. You know what I mean? Hopefully the green bug not with me. The camera's supposed to pop you know. But I think it is on. But yeah, if you hear okay, if guys, if you find a green bug and push it down on the ceiling, okay, let me see. Okay, you know it's great. You know when you push those green box on this, like on the ceiling hard, it sound like the interior of Greeks of the member of the Apple's Brooks Corsa and of Greeks Brooks Corsa. That's about it. And yeah, by Chris Brush Array, trying to find the green box I'm going to go to because if I split this up on it, and if I find another one, I'll just I'll just check on a video. Or start dropping into another one. But yeah, bye. Okay, they make that quasi sound. Okay, we're just gonna cross the books down, alright? That's no.